When you search for budget dash cams, everything looks the same. Same features, same price tags, same claims. But to find the ones that actually deliver real value, you gotta dig deeper. Product number 1. Rove R2-4K Dual. First up is the Rove R2-4K Dual Dash Cam. Priced at $129.99. This camera caught my attention with its dual recording feature and the fact that it comes with a free 128GB card. If you want high-resolution coverage of both front and rear views, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The front camera records in stunning 4K resolution, which means you can clearly identify details like license plates from a distance. Super crucial if you ever need to prove something to your insurance or in a police report. The rear camera, while not as high-res at 1080p, still provides solid coverage. Plus, the advanced Sony Starvis 2 sensor ensures great night vision, giving you peace of mind even in low light. With over 12,900 reviews and a solid 4.5-star rating, it's evident that many users trust this cam. Now, some people complained about the installation process being a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, once it's up and running, you don't have to touch it again. Just set it and forget it, and that peace of mind is well worth the initial hassle. This is perfect for you if you want top-notch video quality and reliable rear coverage. Skip this one if you're looking for something under $100, but at $129.99, it offers great value for what you get. Alright, if that installation hassle bothered you, the next one on my list might actually be even better for ease of use. Product number 2, Avalot Dashcam 2K. Next up is the Avalot Dashcam, priced at just $29.97. I was genuinely surprised by how much value is packed into this little device. If you're looking for a straightforward, no-frills option that doesn't break the bank, this is definitely worth considering. The 2K Quad HD resolution captures details like road signs and license plates clearly, which is important if you need footage for insurance claims. The built-in Wi-Fi allows you to connect to the Avalot app, so you can easily manage your recordings and even share them on social media. Plus, the 170 degrees ultra-wide-angle lens helps reduce blind spots, making it safer for city driving. With a 4.2-star rating from over 3,500 users, this one has proven reliable for many. However, some users mentioned that the camera can have connectivity issues with the app. I'll be real with you. While that can be frustrating, if you're someone who just needs the basics covered, it still delivers solid performance. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable option without too many techie features. Skip this one if you need 4K resolution or advanced functionalities, but for less than $30, it's a steal. Now, if you want something with a bit more advanced features, the next product has you covered. Product number 3, Fame 4K plus 2K Dashcam. The third option is the Fame Dashcam, priced at $74.09. This camera caught my eye with its dual recording capabilities in 4K and 2K. If you're looking for a budget-friendly dash cam that still delivers impressive video quality, this one's definitely worth checking out. The 4K front and 2K rear recording means you're getting ultra-crisp footage, which is vital for identifying details in any situation. With a wide-angle lens and enhanced night vision, you can feel secure knowing you have clear evidence of your surroundings, day or night. It also features a built-in GPS that logs your routes and speed, which is great for validating any incidents. With a 4.5-star rating from over 800 reviews, it's gained a solid reputation. That said, some users noted that the app can be a bit slow at times. Here's the thing. If you're just using the dash cam as a reliable recording device and not as your main source for video playback, then that slight lag may not be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want high-quality video without spending a fortune. Skip this one if you're after a simple plug-and-play device, but at $74.09, it provides great bang for your buck. Alright, if you're looking for something even easier to install, the next dash cam might be just what you need. Product number 4, Redtiger F7NP. Next, we have the Redtiger F7NP, which retails for $109.99. This dashcam really impressed me with its Starvis 2 sensor and dual-channel recording. If you want excellent night vision and clear footage, this is a solid pick. The 4K front and 1080p rear recording provides excellent detail, making it easier to capture critical evidence. The built-in GPS helps track your speed and route, which is essential for any insurance claims. The 170 degrees wide-angle lens means you won't miss anything happening around you. With a 4.2-star rating from more than 25,400 reviews, it's clear this dash cam is popular. However, some users pointed out that the manual could be clearer. But honestly, once you get it set up, it's pretty intuitive to use, so I wouldn't let that dissuade you. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable, high-quality camera that excels in low-light situations. Skip this one if you're not willing to spend a bit more, but at $109.99, the quality is definitely worth it. Now, if you're looking for the most budget-friendly option without sacrificing too much quality, the last one on our list is a great choice. Product number 5, eEager S50. Finally, we have eEager S50 dash cam, priced at $45.99. This one stands out for its dual-channel recording at a budget price. If you want something that covers both front and rear without breaking the bank, this is worth a look. The 2.5K resolution for the front and 1080p for the rear ensures you capture clear footage in various conditions. With a wide-angle lens and decent night vision capabilities, this camera does a good job of covering your blind spots, which is crucial for safety. It also features a G sensor that locks crucial video during collisions, providing you with essential evidence. With a solid 4.2-star rating from about 1,200 reviews, users seem satisfied. However, some users mentioned that the setup process can be a bit cumbersome. Here's the thing though, for the price, this is a fantastic option for anyone who wants reliable coverage without all the bells and whistles. This is perfect for you if you want a straightforward, effective dash cam without spending too much. Skip this one if you need high-end features, but at $45.99, it's a great budget option. So, to wrap it up, we looked at 5 budget dash cams. The Rove R2-4K Dual for top-notch video quality, the Avalet for the best value under $30, the Fame for impressive 4K recording, the Rediger for excellent night vision, and the eEager S50 for a solid dual-channel option without breaking the bank. Each has its strengths, so choose the one that fits your needs best.